Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, today we will show you how to remove and replace the front emblem on Volkswagen Touareg right here that we have at the shop. Okay, check out, that's the ZHP build that we have on World Mechanics, our main channel, guys. Feel free to check it out. So it's not very hard to replace that one, and it could happen because people steal those. They're super easy to remove actually once you know what to do. Get a small prying plastic tool. You can do a screwdriver too. If you don't have a prying tool, get a screwdriver, put some electrical tape around it so you don't scratch the grill. Okay, and there is three clips holding here. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and start it on one side. You're gonna pull a little bit. Careful not to break the grill. Okay, right there, guys. You can see there is three clips. Okay, two on top, one, two, and one on the bottom. Just like that. So that's how simple it is to remove it. So when you get a new one or a replacement one, all we have to do, you will need to get on the bottom first, and then you have to help the top clips to go in while pushing on the emblem a little bit. Okay, once they go in, you can just push the whole thing in. Super simple. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.